Hey everybody and welcome. Steve from BOM here, and in this video I want to point out a few subtle but important changes to the BOM title area that I think you're going to find really useful. These were released in the May 2021 release. So I've got the popular wireless router open. This is in your demo data set. Here's the name of that. And this is going to look very familiar to you, but there are a few important changes. Number one, and these all apply if your BOM part number happens to be located in one of your catalogs. So you should always, your BOMs should always be items in your catalog, and I'll show you why that's important here in a moment. So this particular BOM is in one of my catalogs. And first off, if you have the BOM in your catalog, you will have, I will bring you the thumbnail image. Terrific. We've replaced the an old piece of user interface over here that had some information in it. We've replaced that with the BOM thumbnail image for the assembly. Terrific. So that's thing number one, very new. Thing number two is we've also given you now the ability to change this property up here about what is displayed. It defaults to BOM name, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. We are going to be probably doing away with BOM name at some point in the future, and we are going to be using some other kind of more informative properties up here. And right now I'm giving you the ability to kind of switch to those already. So if you have description, for example, in the catalog where this BOM is, I can bring description. I can also bring some other things. We might want to put type. Is it an assembly? So you have some choices here about what you can choose. Maybe I want to show the file name up here. So you have a little choices here about what can be displayed up here. So first change, thumbnail image. Second change, the ability to choose which property gets displayed over here. And the third thing is this new button over here called Item Info. And if you click on that, you will see a nice, the nice long list of all the information from the catalog about this BOM. So I hope you find that useful. There will be a lot of improvements coming to this area in the next few releases. We just started in May. We'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Click on support. Shoot me a comment about what you think about where we're going with the changes to this title area and to the information area about the BOM. Thanks, everyone.